Hi, I'm Andy Morris. For property management, maintenance can make or break depending on what kind of house you have and what you're doing as far as a landlord goes. So brand new houses, frankly, the questions of maintenance are not that big of a deal in terms of expense, because there's not going to be a lot of maintenance. However, even for a brand new house, and for any house really, you want to look at and make sure you work out with your property manager exactly what kind of maintenance is being done over time. We definitely recommend that you get an inspection done once to twice a year, depending on the situation with the tenant, what kind of house and what your comfort level is. We also recommend that at the very least gutters are cleaned twice a year in northeastern Ohio, and also that you make sure that your furnace is at the very least someone checks and makes sure that the filters are changed. You may also want to have us set up some type of furnace plan, where a maintenance plan for your furnace, which will reduce potential costs on your furnace, because those are big items if they aren't maintained. There's other items too that you can schedule to have done. And many property management companies have this. We certainly have the ability to set up certain types of things to be done certain types of the year, and then it just comes onto our schedule and we can go ahead and do those for you. As far as costs go, those are constantly changing, so I don't exactly want to put them in the video, but you can always ask. We typically, sometimes you're looking like at an hourly cost. Sometimes it's just a flat fee or a work order. It really does depend. Larger jobs, typically, you're going to get an estimate from us for really large jobs, unless it's like an emergency maintenance call where it's like overnight and we really can't. We end up having to make a decision on say an expensive plumbing issue or something in order to keep your house from being damaged and liability to you and potential health issues with the tenant. So. But a lot of those things, again, it's helped by making sure that things are checked in advance and doing proactive maintenance. So something to make sure that you ask about, and I'm always happy to talk about property management and maintenance. Have a great day.
Attention landlords, are you interested in professional help, leasing, lease optioning, full service management, or acquiring more investment property? If so, please call 440-220-7300 or email us at sales@propertymanagementoh.com. To get tips, tricks, and relevant Cleveland, Ohio investment and landlord information, please visit propertymanagementoh.com/news and subscribe to our newsletter.